I went to see this video from the beginner to the end. If you can let me know, I will make the full video. It in just 3 minutes. Then watch this video till the end. Hello, I am MDM Sayem. Today I will show you the new and easy way to find clients fast. In this video, I will teach you how to find clients. YouTube channel, website, email, Facebook, and Instagram account access. With this method, you can collect many clients in just a few minutes. So let's start. I searched and tried it. Now I am doing it again to show you. If he does not give you this time, depend what did he say. You have to him the way you went. Write to him nicely and tell him what you went. He will give it to you and it will work 100%. I know many platforms that proved 100% client. See in the next video. Stay well, stay safe. Goodbye.